understanding first that advisors, service managers, valets, everybody is a professional and they represent the company they're working for and they also represent the manufacturer. So, being that they are professional in that they are paid to perform a job, and what we have to be careful of is sometimes we feel we've developed a great relationship with a customer or a client. That sometimes is misunderstood. So, the point is always remain on the professional side, even if your kids play in the same soccer team together. But when it comes to them having their car in the shop, that's what you're there for. That's what they're for. So a fine line of becoming too friendly and being professional. So it's always good to reflect back that you are a paid professional. You are there to supply the client with the best information you can about their car. And to that point, some people get um, concerned that the customer can't afford something. And that really shouldn't be the concern of the professional. The professional is to deliver them the information that's pertinent to the car. It is the customer's decision what they can afford, how they can afford it. So again, professional, providing the tools, providing the information so the client can make the best decision.